This video will teach you how to insert hyperlinks into PowerPoint slides. Select a slide. Click the slide onto which you want to place a hyperlink. This activates the slide for editing. Select the hyperlink text. Use the mouse to select the text you want to add to the link. You can also make an image a hyperlink. Just click the desired image to select it. Click the Insert tab. Click the link icon. Add a location or address to link to. Fill out the fields. To link to a file or website, select Existing File or Web Page at the top left. Then, enter the full URL of the website or select the document. To link to another location in your presentation, select Place in this document, then select a slide title. To create an email hyperlink, select Email address, then enter an email address. Clicking the link will simply compose a new message to this address. Click OK to create the link. This creates a clickable hyperlink in your PowerPoint presentation. When you click the object or text you use to create the hyperlink, you'll be taken to the selected document, website, or other location. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.